So, student, we are going to learn the English tense lesson number 3. Student, let us learn English vocabulary from our English word bank. Have, H-A-V, have, and H-A-S, has. Today I am going to teach the uses of or the meaning of have and has. have ର ଅର୍ଥ ଅଛି, has ର ଅର୍ଥ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ have ଟା HAV have ଟା main verb ହିସାବରେ I, you, we, they, have ସହିତ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ. ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, I have a ball, ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ ବଲ୍ ଅଛି. କିନ୍ତୁ ହେଜ୍ଟା ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ପର୍ସନ୍ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାରରେ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ. ହି, ସି, ଇଟ୍ ବା ଯେକୌଣସି ନା ସହିତ. ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍, ହି ହେଜ୍ ଏ ବଲ୍, ତା'ର ଗୋଟିଏ ବଲ୍ ଅଛି. ସୋ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ହିସାବରେ ୟୁଜେସ୍ଟା. ତା'ର ଏକ୍ଜୁଲାରୀ ଭର୍ବ ହିସାବରେ ସେ କେମିତି ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ ମୁଁ କହୁଅଛି. ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ହେଜ୍ ନୋ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ମିନିଂ but the meaning will be changed according to sentence. यार अर्थ सेंटेंस अनुसार बदली जाए. एग्जाम्पल, you have played, तमे खेली अछ. देख एठी ई अछ, but you will have played, एठी तमे खेली थिबो. सो ई थिबो. सो स्टूडेंट मीनिंग टा तो मेन भर्ब रे गोटे, किंतु एक्जुलारी भर्ब रे तारो सेंटेंस अनुसार टिके चेंज होता है. सो यू हैव लर्न टुडे द मीनिंग ऑफ हैव एंड हैज. सो एंड इट्स यूजेस एज ए मेन भर्ब, या मेन भर्ब हिसाब से केमती यूज हुए, आउ एक्जुलरी भर्ब हिसाब से बा हेल्पिंग भर्ब हिसाब से केमती यूज हुए. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हैड, HAD, हैड. एटा होची हैव हैज रो पास्ट फॉर्मटा. सो यार मध्य यूज हैव हैज भलिया ही मेन भर्ब आउ एज ए हेल्पिंग भर्ब. तो मेन भर्बटा स्टूडेंट HAD हैड कैन बी यूज इन एवरी pronoun like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or any noun or name. So example, I had a ball, मोर गोटे बही थिला. हेड अर्थ थिला एज ए मेन भर्ब, किंतु हेल्पिंग भर्ब it will be used as a helping verb. This also with all like I, you, we, they, he, she, because have and has past tense is had. So example, you had played as a auxiliary verb, as a helping verb. You had played, तमे भलो खेलिथिलो. So student, today you have learned these 3 different words, has, have, and had. So today I have taught these 3 words only, so you have to learn it properly, student. So let's begin our tense classes. So today we are going to learn past simple tense. Student, you have learned this past simple tense 3 different form of sentence like affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and question. In affirmative sentence, I played. देखो एठी प्ले रो verb to form टा यूज होछि. I played, he played. In present simple, I play, he plays. But in past simple, I played, he played. In negative sentence, let's see, I did not play or I didn't play. He did not play or he didn't play. So then the question is, did you play or did I play, did he play? It can be, you can make a like this many sentence. So this is what the different form of our past simple tense sentences. Then let us see how the uses of the verb or the spelling, how it changes. We add d, not ed, to the verbs that end with e. Like example, like, the verb ends with e, so liked, like. If the verb ends with a consonant and y, we change y into I. Example, carry, carry. Here the consonant ending y, so it change into I and ed. We add ed. carried, carried, carry, carried, try, tried. But in play, played, we use ed. We didn't change the y consonant because this verb ends with a vowel. So if the verb is only one syllable and ends with a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant to keep the same pronunciation. Example, stop, stop. The verb to is stopped. Stopped. See, the consonant, the ending p, we double it, make it double. So stop, stop. The same rule applies to verb that end with l. So travel, travel. So student, with irregular verbs, all the irregular verbs have different forms. Go, went. See, we are not using ed or d, anything else. The totally word has changed here. Go, went, buy, bought, cut, cut. So the question and negative are made in the same way. I went, did you go? See, here we are not writing did you went. We say the main verb, the main verb form. So I went, did you go? So student, we do not use the auxiliary verb did with the verb to be and the modal verbs. Were you a student? Was he in London? I was not at home. He was not happy. Could you play? Could he play? I could not play. He could not play. So the auxiliary verb did is not used in questions begin with double H pronouns who, which. Example, so in case that the pronoun is the subject of the question, जतबेले double H word टा subject होई थाए question रे, तबे आमे did use करि न थाउ. Example, who met you. Here एठी who is the subject अछि. Which train arrived on time. एठी मध्ये which train, the train, which train is the subject. But let us see the next. Who did you meet? Which train did you miss? एठी who and which train are the object. The negative questions normally shows a surprise. Didn't you know it? So student, समस्ते बुझुछ एठी जतबेले माने verb टा to be in modal आमे auxiliary verb did को यूज करन थाउ, बा जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड टा बिगिन विथ डबल एच वर्ड who और which, सेटा जतबेले सब्जेक्ट रे थाए सेतबेले आमे did को यूज करिन थाउ. So the uses of past simple sentence. We use the past simple for activities or situation that were completed in the past at a definite time. The time can be given in the sentence. देखो एठी I came playground at 6 o'clock. एठी time mention करा जायछि. When he was a child, he did not play or didn't play in a playground. देखो एठी particularly time टा mention होइछि. So we use here the past simple. पास्ट सिंपल को यूज करथाउ जतबेले द टाइम इज आस्क अबाउट, जतबेले एठी समय पचारि थाए. व्हेन डिड दे प्ले. देखो एठी टाइम इज आस्क, सो वी यूज हियर पास्ट सिंपल. Then the time is not given in the sentence, but it is clear from a context that the action or situation finished in the past. देखो ए प्रकार सेंटेंस रे कोन होची टाइम दिया तो होउनी, किंतु एठी हमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट हमें ସେଠି ଟାଇମ୍ଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁଛୁ ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ପାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ଟା ଏଟା ଏକ୍ସନ୍ଟା ବା ସେ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ଟା ଫିନିଶ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ପାଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ହି ଇଜ୍ 10 years old he was born in Cuttack I have been to Nandankanan see here present perfect but it is mentioned as a finish as a past sentence so did you enjoy it past simple okay so did you enjoy it so we understand that action has finished in the past then student we use it present past simple for repeated action in the past example we played every day and did you ever go to playground so we repeatedly the action we did so here we use past simple then it is used in stories to describe events that follow each other कौनसी स्टोरी बा कौनसी डिस्क्रिप्शन रे आमे जो सेंटेंस गुड़ाक कि माने फॉलो इच अदर होता है बा गोटे पर गोटे फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस आमे कंस्ट्रक्ट करूँ बा लिखू से आमे पास्ट सिंपल यूज करूँ एग्जांपल Suchimita entered the class and looked around. She took off her coat and put it on a chair. She was at home. So student, past simple ro uses ta janilo. So you have learned today past simple very well. So student, we are going to conclude today's class. I hope you have learned a lot about past simple. So I tell all my viewers, all my students, watch our all series classes of English tense and learn it and enjoy your this days. But don't be panic.